Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Mini Crafteria. Today I'm going to teach how to make a very simple origami heart. This is a traditional model. I think it's ideal for beginners. And all you need to make it is a square of paper. You can use any size and any type. I recommend 15 by 15 inches square paper. And the first step is to fold in half along both diagonals as letter X. First this one, then the opposite. Now rotate the paper in this position and fold the top corner to the middle. Just like that. Now fold the bottom corner to the top. With this done, let's fold half of the bottom edge to the middle. First here on the right side and then on the left. Turn the paper over and fold these two top corners down. Fold like this until this line up. Now let's do the same on the lateral corners. First this one and also the other. With this done, our origami heart is ready. As I said, very easy to make. I hope most have been able to do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and until the next time.